Hello Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your reading for the month of July 2025. Let's see what is up for the sign of Gemini, July 2025. If this resonates, check other readings on this channel. You can also check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign, your transit signs, or your Mahadasha signs to know the full picture. Let's see what is up for the sign of Gemini in July 2025. Details to contact me for a personal reading are in the description. Hmm. Fighting spirit, aggression. Okay. So for the work situation, the first card coming through for you is the ten of rainbows, which is like the ten of coins in this deck. So Gemini, though this is the card of community, I feel in the work you're discovering your work community, the people who are loyal to you. There is an advice here to stick to the people who are loyal to you in the work situation. This can also mean that you will be receiving some amount of money, good amount of money during this time. This is a good time. This is a अर्थ साइन का फुल वो है ये एक्सप्रेशन. तो वर्क में तो आपको लग रहा है कि इस बार ये आपकी चांदी होने वाली है. किसी वर्क वाइज जो भी आपके गोल्स हैं वो अचीव होंगे, फुलफिल होंगे. अगर आप कहीं से निकल रहे हो, दूसरी जगह जा रहे हो जमुना, सो दिस सीम्स लाइक टू बी वर्किंग आउट. आपके जो भी गोल्स हैं मनी और वर्क से रिलेटेड वो फुलफिल होते हुए दिख रहे हैं. आपको उनके बारे में क्लैरिटी भी है और इन सब के पीछे वजह क्या है, क्यों फुलफिल हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपकी क्लैरिटी की वजह से जो भी आपने काम क्लैरिटी से किए हैं उनमें आपको रिजल्ट आते हुए यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं. Let's see what is happening in your love life integration. This is healing. This can be a past person also coming towards you, and this is जो भी अगर ऐसी अधूरी चीजें रहती हैं लव में, this is a very lucky card in love. And even if it is a past person, it is coming for a good thing. Okay, this can be closure also. And if this is like in your current relationship, it can mean कि आपका जो current relationship है वो और ज़्यादा organize हो जाएगा और ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाएगा. क्लैरिटी आएगी, आप लोग के बीच में लव बढ़ेगा. सो लव वाइज ऑल्सो दिस इज अ गुड टाइम. दिस स्पेसिफिकली लुक्स लाइक अ टॉक्सिक सिचुएशन रिजॉल्विंग इटसेल्फ. अगर बहुत टाइम से कुछ टॉक्सिसिटी चल रही थी किसी थर्ड पार्टी की वजह से या फिर किसी वजह से जमुना, तो वो जो है रिजॉल्व होती दिख रही है, उसका टाइम पूरा हो चुका है. So somewhere Gemini, this is like a good sign. And for your overall situation, the card is the Wheel of Fortune. Of course, This is a great reading, Gemini. In July, you're winning. It looks like whatever is the problems that have been going around seem to be shifting. You're entering a new era, and with the Temperance card, I feel that you are also going to be celebrating things around yourself. You're also going to be meeting new friends, Gemini. You will be socially satisfied during this time. At the same time, Gemini, this can also mean that angels are around, your guides are around, something is guiding you for better. So this looks like a time of change, shift, and good change and shift for you, Gemini. This month is going to be sowing seeds for a better future. And you are moving from a toxic situation to a positive one. Let's see, spiritually, inner voice. I think you're going to be aligned more with your soul. What is the true purpose? Somewhere, this is also talking about celibacy. Spiritually, I feel that maybe you're actually celebrate during this time or whatever it is, but I feel that सम सेलिबेसी इन द सेंस कि आप जो है बाहर की दुनिया से खुद को विड्रॉ करके अंदर की तरफ आए, इनर वॉइस की तरफ आए, और ये कुछ टाइम से हो रहा है और उसकी वजह से आपका कनेक्शन क्लैरिटी अपने आप से इतना डीप बन गया कि आपकी वॉइस भी और क्लियर होती जा रही है, आपको लोगों के बारे में भी क्लियर थॉट्स आ रहे हैं और आप ओवरऑल एलिवेट कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में. और अगर आप बहुत टाइम से सिंगल हैं तो वो अच्छी चीज़ है आपके लिए. समवेयर यू आर गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर लाइक अ ट्रू लव, okay, in your life. And yeah, so you connecting with your inner voice. Overall, let's see what is the advice for you. Advice is to maintain all this. This is the Queen of Rainbows, which is like the Queen of Pentacles. Maintain all this, flower with the ground this energy, take care of the good things. Okay, Gemini, something good is coming towards you. It is, as we speak, it is happening to you. Some way goodness is coming towards you, but the only thing is that you can be alone during this time. and you're being asked to guard your aloneness. It's okay to be alone, is what I'm seeing here. Even the people around you can be shallow as well. And this reading screams main character. It paints you as the main character. Your guides are saying you are the main character. We are going to take care of you. But you will have to celebrate and protect yourself as the main character. You cannot be going towards people who take advantage of you, or जैसे कि मान लो आपके पास किसी वे में पैसा आता है, लॉयल्टी आती है, कुछ नया आपके पास रॉयल्टी आती है, कुछ नया आपके पास आ रहा है ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, यू आर गेटिंग बेनिफिटेड इन सम वे, यू मे फील दैट पीपल might come and talk to you just because now you feel magnetic. So don't give in easily. Protect your energy, protect yourself, enjoy this flowering. River of blessings, releasing constraints. This month is going to be about releasing constraints for you, and you will be protected during this time. And you will be like a guiding force also in other people's life. Yeah, the next card is guides, the illuminated path. So, if you have been having any problems, Gemini, in the past month, it's time to release your worries also, because this looks like those problem situation are going to shift for you, and in some way you are going to be rewarded for taking all this time and grinding and making things happen and protecting yourself, and the protection is on to you. You are getting watched. There is spirit animals over here, so you will be received well during this time. There are animals. If there is some new animals you see and all that, know that those are your spirit guides telling you that we are here to protect you. So angel numbers you can be seeing, and they are also telling you that protection numbers are here. So in some way, the protection is here and guidance is here. You need to tune in. The more clear your head will be, the more clear you will be, the more you will be able to integrate these lessons that are coming to you. Highly spiritually charged reading, and this tells me that you are going to be coming out of a period of constraints into a period of complete change, but this change is not yet decided. Okay, the change is not yet decided. You have to decide it with, you have to co-create with the universe and decide the change. You have to co-create and move forward with the universe and make the change happen. कि आपको क्या चाहिए? Let go of the past and politics. एंड ओके जमुना, जब ऐसी चीजें होती है ना कि इंसान को इतना ज्यादा एलिवेशन मिलता है, तो सबसे पहले जो उसकी नेगेटिविटी है ना वो चर्न आउट होती है, वो निकल के आती है, और फिर क्या होता है, वो सेम उसी लूप में फंस जाता है। तो अगर आपके पास ये क्लैरिटी का टाइमिंग आ रहा है, तो इसमें मेक श्योर करो कि जो आपके कॉन्स्टेंट्स है ना वो आप रिलीज करो। ठीक है, ऐसा ना हो कि आप उन्हीं कॉन्स्टेंट्स में, उन्हीं पुरानी बातों में, उन्हीं पास्ट चीजों में फंस करके और सेम रिजल्ट्स अपने लिए क्रिएट कर लो जिस लूप से आप बाहर निकल रहे हो। हाँ, आप एक लूप से बाहर निकल रहे हो, लेकिन आप नेक्स्ट किस लूप में जाओगे ये अभी डिसाइडेड नहीं है, और ये चीज आपको डिसाइड करनी है, और आपको जो आपके पास करंटली आपके पास है उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल होते हुए, उसका टेक केयर करते हुए आपको डिसाइड करनी है। सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, को क्रिएट विद द यूनिवर्स। यू हैव टू take see that, be grateful for what you have. See, you definitely have something that you can be grateful for right now, and be grateful for it so much that it starts guiding you, it starts telling you what to do next. Okay, and yeah, do not be, अगर आप अभी भी वही पुरानी चीजों में उलझे रहे, पुरानी दुखों में उलझे रहे, पुरानी मैं बहुत अकेला हूँ, लेट मी जस्ट टॉक टू पीपल, सो आप फिर से वही रिजल्ट्स भी मैनिफेस्ट करने के केपेबल हो जो पहले आपने किए होंगे। सो समवेयर दिस इज द टाइम टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ old timeline and step into a new timeline. To step into a new timeline, keep your heart open, make only go for connections which are very deep, and take water blessings during this time. This is the time to be creative. See, water is where all the life is created. जो अम्बुरूपा देवी है, जो वाटर है, वहीं पे सारी लाइफ का क्रिएशन हुआ है। वी आर ऑल ओरिजिनेटेड इन द वाटर. So if you meditate with water, or if you put your intentions in the water during this time, if you you know like go for swimming maybe, but in some way connecting with the water blessings will help you realize, will help you manifest your intentions. So it can help you manifest your intentions. So you're in creative mode, you're entering the creative mode, co-creation with the universe mode, and set your intentions during this time, connect with your inner voice, and you will be received well. So yeah, I think Gemini, this is a great reading for you, and Any other details we need to know about Gemini? Let's see. Six of Coins, Five of Wands, Justice. Yeah, if somebody has done wrong to you, they will be wrong to you and you will watch it. If somebody has done, there is new opportunity, you might have to contribute towards it, you might have to move towards it. The conflict, अगर कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रही है वो आपके फेवर में रिजॉल्व होगी, अगर आपके कोई कोर्ट के इश्यूज चल रहे हैं वो आपके फेवर में रिजॉल्व होंगे, आपका ईगो यहाँ पे बूस्ट होगा और आपको करना क्या है, सिर्फ अपने लिए शो अप करना है। आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपके पास जो लेगेसी है वो इम्पोर्टेंस की है और आपने हमेशा अगर अभी तक सिर्फ राइट किया, अगर आपने रॉन्ग, आई डोंट थिंक यू आर ऑन द रॉन्ग साइड जेमिनी, whoever is on the wrong side is going to suffer the consequences during this time, and the one who has done right thing will be coming out of a tough period into the correct mindset. Their worries will be taken away. So Gemini, this is what I have for you in this reading. I hope this helps. If it resonates, leave a like or a comment and claim this reading. And by commenting on here, you can check other readings also. Check your other personal placements. And you can check your personal placements and check your reading for that as well to know the full picture for this month. I will catch you in some other reading. Bye for now.